Want to get the sound from a video quickly and totally free? In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it with WonderFox Free HD Video Converter Factory, a completely free tool that lets you convert, edit, and extract audio from videos of almost any format, including MP4, MKV, MOV, AVI, and large files. It's fast, and you can even process multiple videos at once, making it super convenient for batch extraction. Okay, let's get started. First, download the free program from the link in the description and install it on your Windows PC. Launch the program and click Converter on the home screen. Then, drag your video files into the window, or click Add Files if you prefer. A quick tip, if you only need part of the audio, click Trim to select the clip before extracting. Next, open the Output Format list on the right. Go to the Audio tab and choose the format you want. If you just need a standard audio file, MP3 is the best choice. You can also pick WAV, FLAC, M4A, or others depending on your needs. You can also click Parameter Settings if you'd like to adjust the bit rate or sample rate for higher quality or smaller size, or simply leave them at default and let the program choose for you. Finally, select where to save the file and click Run. Very soon, your video's sound will be extracted and saved as a separate audio file that's ready to play, edit, or share anywhere. And that's how easy it is. Free HD Video Converter Factory makes it simple to extract sound from any video without limits or complicated steps. Download it using the link below and try it yourself. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.